Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the biggest national park in the Netherlands, de Veluwe. Its full name is Nationaal de Hoge Veluwe, but we will focus on how we normally would say it, which is de Veluwe. De Veluwe. De Veluwe. So there is a light emphasis on the first syllable. De Veluwe. 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 De Veluwe is the oldest national park of the Netherlands. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!